Take the necessary steps needed to help protect yourself and others while remaining comfortable with the Honeywell dual-layer face cover with replacement Genuine Honeywell filters. The unique combination of the face mask and filter, when used together, will block penetration and provide enhanced filtration of aerosol droplets more effectively than common cloth face coverings. Inside the package, you'll find 1 dual-layer face cover and 8 replacement filters. This face cover has a seamless 3-dimensional knit construction that provides a 4-way stretch, minimizing gaps and enhancing overall comfort. The contoured design stands off the face to enhance breathability. The adjustable ear loops and nose clip improve both overall comfort and functionality of the mask for most adult face shapes and sizes. A hidden pocket on the inside of the cover is designed for convenient filter removal and replacement. Washing this face cover is made simple as it maintains both function and shape after multiple washings. The length of this face cover is just over 9.1 inches, not including the adjustable straps, and the height is 6.25 inches from the longest point. The materials of the covering are nylon, polyester, and spandex, while the straps are polyester and spandex. Installing the Genuine filter is easy. Simply face the mask so the inner portion is towards you. Next, take the filter and slide the right side into the pocket that says R and the left side of the filter into the side that says L. The wings of the filter will hold the filter in place. The Honeywell dual-layer face cover comes in both dark gray and light gray. More replacement filters can be purchased in both packs of 12 and packs of 48 Genuine Honeywell filters for your dual-layer face cover. The filter insert has been shown by a third-party testing facility to block up to 97% of 3-micron size non-viable particles and 0.1 micron size aerosolized particles. These single-use filters can be thrown away after a day's use, designed so that you can start with a fresh filter each day. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.